Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by BeautyForever. Today I am installing their new Byebye Knots wig. I'm so excited. They sent goodies over with the wig. This is the wig. It's a 24-inch body wave, 7x5 closure Byebye Knots wig. And what the Byebye Knots wig is what it sounds like. No knots, no, like, this is such an easy wig. This is exactly how it came. You don't have to do too much customizing. It also has an elastic band, but not just any elastic band. It also has silicone on it, so it's really not going to slip off your head. It's going to be secure. We're not using any glue today. Like, this is completely glueless, completely pre-cut. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is take the wig out the box and put it on. And it's a closure, so you don't have to worry about, too much customizing with frontals. Not everybody wants to wear frontals, so yeah, I'm doing this closure. And I put the wig on. It's very easy to see that this looks very wiggy. So what we're gonna do is make a part and then try to flatten everything out with my hot comb. And while I'm doing that, I just have to point out, like, this lace was extremely seamless. I did not have to even put makeup on it. That is crazy. This is the first time that's happened to me. Usually I will put makeup on it or something to match my skin tone. Another thing is, this isn't a 4x4 closure. I really am not a big fan of closures, but I love this one because you have a lot of space. It's a 7x5, so you can part your hair. It's not gonna look bulky. It definitely lays flat. So if you're like me and you're worried about the closure look, this definitely did not give that. So once it was pretty much flat, I decided to work on my baby hairs. I probably should have did it last because the baby hairs was getting moved around because, like I said, we didn't use any glue today. So it was getting moved around when I was flat ironing the hair. But anyway, I did do my baby hairs. It's simple. I usually use an Nairobi mousse. I part out a part, cut it as short as possible. Well, not too short, but cut it short because you don't want like really long baby hairs. I don't want that, so I did my baby hairs really quick, and then I'm gonna move on to straightening my hair. I was gonna do curls, but then I decided I wanted to do straight with layers. So you guys will see that, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch me style the hair. Once I was done, I added a little Got2b to the front, like the widow's peak area, just so it could stay put. And then I decided to trim the ends because I wanted it kind of blunt and I wanted layers. So I did the layers. It just gave a little bit more razzle dazzle to me. Like, I don't know. It reminded me of like 90s. It gave me Dominican blowout vibes. So I really did love it. And also just look at how shiny this hair is. I really love how shiny it is. I love a good silky hair texture. So yeah. After that, I was pretty much done. I just bumped the ends just so it can give, like I said, a little 90s look. And that was it. And I will have all this information down in the description. Make sure you check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.